What is the difference between internal combustion engine and external combustion engines, steam engines? What we call steam engines. You can see the first point in internal combustion engine, air fuel ratio will be a perfect one. We will design how much amount of air is required for a particular fuel quantity. It is fixed. Where? In internal combustion engine. We say lean mixture, rich mixture. When there is no load, lean mixture is enough. When is there heavy load, rich mixture is enough. So that based on that, the fuel injector or the carburetor will be designed. How much air and fuel should be mixed, so that it will give perfect power output. That's the advantage of internal combustion engines. But when you see external combustion engines, that is boiler. The boiler need same air and fuel. Maximum the boil may be a diesel boiler or coal boilers. Diesel boiler or coal boilers. People use diesel boilers, no problem. But people don't use diesel boilers. Why? Again, we can use diesel engines. Why we have to go for diesel boilers? Yes or no? We use diesel engines instead of diesel boilers. That's why we don't go for diesel. We go for maximum coal boilers. Clear? So how people will do means they will take buckets, one bucket, two bucket, three bucket. They will dump into the boiler. They don't measure it. Blower. There is a blower which sucks air from the atmosphere. It will keep on throwing to the boiler. They don't measure how much air is entering to the boiler. That is the major disadvantage of the external combustion engine. Well, second point, the working pressure and temperature inside an IC engines are very high. Boiler, the steam pressure may be high. The steam pressure may be high, but combustion temperature and pressure will not be high. Since the combustion takes place internally, it produces high pressure and high temperature. So that we get more power output compared to the steam boiler. Which means here you have boiler, there you have engine. The steam has to be carried out from here to there. There will be a lot of losses will be there. Heat losses, pressure losses, everything. But third one, due to high, this is a disadvantage, it's not advantage of IC engines. Due to high operating temperature, it's required cooling. In boiler, we don't have any cooling object. Since what we do in boiler, we insulate the boiler to reduce the heat loss. We have a boiler, we completely will insulate it. But in IC engine, what has to be? Heat should be liberated from the engine. Otherwise, engine material will get damaged. Got it? So that's the major disadvantage of the IC engine. Then the fourth point is very important. What is the fourth point? Start instantly. Self kicker. Start instantly. But boiler is not like that. You know, for boiler, the coal has to be heated first. It will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes. After that, whatever heat produced by the coal, that will be heated your walls of the boiler. It will take again 5 to 10 minutes, 20 minutes. After that only, it will pass to the water. Where steam will be generated, it will take another 10 to 15 minutes. Around 30 to 40 minutes is required to generate the steam itself. Then only the steam engine will operate. Otherwise, it's not possible. But our internal combustion engine is not like that. Just we can give the self, we can take the engine. Clear? That is the major advantage of the internal combustion engine. Third one, both are same. There we burn the coal, the exhaust will come to the atmosphere. Here we burn the any fuel or diesel, petrol, whatever it is. This also will send to the atmosphere. Here, since the air and fuel mixture is the correct ratio, it will produce CO2. It will produce CO2. In coal, it's not like that. Since we are not sending proper air and fuel ratio, sometimes it produce CO, carbon monoxide, incomplete combustion. What we call incomplete combustion takes place in EC engines. Okay. Final conclusion. The internal combustion engine will have higher overall efficiency. Higher overall efficiency, which is around 30 to 35%. Whereas external combustion engine will be a less than 20%. We have seen Rankine cycle, right? We have seen Rankine cycle, right? Less than 20%, maximum 25%, maximum 25%. I studied the lower weight to power ratio. Since we have only one engine, the weight will be very less. But boiler, you have boiler, you have again engine component. To condense the steam, we need again condenser. Again, we need to have pump to take the water. we have so many components, the weight will be more, but the power is produced less. So weight to power ratio is good in internal combustion engine compared to the external combustion engine. Third point, we have seen already the starting problem. Starting problem. Fourth one, space. Internal combustion engine, very small one. Slipper only less place. But external combustion engine need more space. We have boiler and other components. Last one, cost. Small one, less cost. Many components, more cost. Clear? This is the conclusion and comparative advantage of internal combustion engine over the external combustion engine.